our channel. Today we're gonna introduce to you our newest addition to the family.
Yeah.
And his name is
Piper!
Piper! You see, when Piper hears his name, he answers back. Piper! See? Piper!
But let's feed.
Let's try to feed him. Maybe he's hungry.
No, I put him down. I'm going to.
Down.
That's it. Oh!
Let me.
Okay.
Piper! You want some
Nothing?
food?
He doesn't want.
Doesn't want it.
Oh, well,
So
I
Piper
guess...
is trained with the step up command. See? Step up! Oh, step up! Step up! Good bird!
And step up.
And step up! See?
Down.
Down?
Down. Okay.
Here, I'm gonna feed you. Feed you with formula. So we're feeding him with a formula. It's a formula called Buson. You can search it at Google and buy it at Shopee and Lazada.
Yeah.
It's around 350 pesos a kilo. But it will last for around 3 to 4 months, I think. Yes. What's the problem?
Yeah.
What's the problem? You see, we got Piper since he was 2 weeks old. So you see, his feathers were not that developed yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm gonna show pictures of him, a progress of his development, growth development. So Piper, step up. Step up. There. Piper is a sweet bird. Look, kiss Piper. Kiss. 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 Kiss Piper.
Aww.
See, he's kissing me.
I think he's hungry.
I think he's hungry. He's making that sound. When birds make that sound, they're hungry. So Chloe's gonna try to feed him. See? That's how they eat.
Yeah,
So he's hand-fed.
So put him down.
Down?
Oh. Okay, there you go.
Now, cockatiels are very gentle creatures. Now, Piper here is a Lutino cockatiel. So Lutinos have red eyes and yellow feathers with orange strip.
Oh!
Oops! Good Piper. Good Piper. Good
Okay,
Piper.
let's... Chit.
Chit.
There you go.
Okay. Step up. Good bird.
So where do I put this tissue?
Good bird.
Where do I
Just put it on the table.
Okay.
It's okay. You want water? Here.
You
Here.
thirsty?
You thirsty?
No.
No?
I think he's only hungry.
No, there's something on his teeth.
Sorry.
See? Cockatiels are gentle birds. See? Even if they try to nibble on your finger, it doesn't hurt. See? So they're sweet. See? So I prefer cockatiels over budgies because budgies, they bite. But the cockatiels don't. Cockatiels don't bite. The
Yeah.
budgies bite. And he can be trained to talk. As long as you got a male, only male cockatiels talk.
Yeah.
Based on the articles that I've read.
So Piper?
Piper, go to Chloe.
Go
Step
on
up.
my... step up.
Step up on Chloe.
Oh, never mind.
Go to her shoulders. Down. Go down.
Down.
There.
There you go. Oh my god. So yeah, that's...
So cockatiel birds, when you got a 2-week-old young, they usually eat every 5 hours of the formula. And then normally you would know if they're full because they're gonna turn away from you. And then when they're hungry, they're gonna make that sound, so you have to feed them. And make sure they are hydrated. You let them drink. So I'm gonna show pictures of his growth development later.
Yeah, we have cockatiels downstairs, but we have a pet cockatiel who unluckily died somehow by like so.
Yeah, a cat ate another one. I got two cockatiels before. One is Hershey and this one is Piper. So Hershey was eaten by a stray cat. So sadly he died. I'm gonna show pictures and videos of her later. But Hershey is a much older bird than Piper.
Yeah, but unluckily he died because
She died, yeah.
or she. I don't know the gender because I didn't get to meet.
So when birds are usually young, you don't know its gender. So you'll get to know its gender once it
Grows up.
yeah, once it grows and it shows they said that female Lutinos will have circle markings under her wings or under her tail.
So I think Piper is a boy.
Yeah, we think Piper is a boy because he doesn't have any markings at all, and he's too noisy.
Yeah.
He likes to answer back. He says, Piper!
Oh.
Oh, wala. Piper!
Piper.
Oh, see?
Oh.
He's gonna answer back when you call his name. He knows his name, by the way. When you call another name, he won't answer. But when you say Piper, he's gonna answer back.
Piper.
So when you get a tame bird, you can touch it. Unlike the wild cockatiels that you can buy from pet stores, they're usually not tamed. And
Fly away.
they like to fly away and bite people when you touch them. So make sure you buy your cockatiels when they're 2 to 3 weeks old so that you can tame them, not to bite people. See?
Yeah.
Look at Piper. He's so
Yeah,
friendly.
I could step him up.
Step up.
Step up.
Step up. Step up. Like that.
Okay, see? Okay, down.
Good Piper.
Down.
Good bird.
Okay, very good.
Water?
Water? No.
Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you
sure-
enjoyed our video.
Make sure you
Make
guys
sure to
click
click
the
the
like button,
subscribe, and hit
click
the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye. Thanks so much.
Piper. Good bird. Piper. 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 Say Piper. 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 Good bird. Piper. Piper. Say Piper. Piper. Good bird. Piper. 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 Good bird. Piper. 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 So guys, this is Piper. So I trained it to step up. So look at him here. Piper, step up. Good bird. See? Kiss. Mwah. So this is Piper, guys. So he knows the trick. Step up and down. No, down. Down. No, down. Step up. There, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put the camera there. I'm gonna show you guys. See it. Step up, Piper. Step up. Step up again. Step up again. Step up. Step up. Good bird. Good bird. Step up some more. Good bird. Step up some more. Good bird. So, he's now smart. Piper. Piper. You want food? You want food? There. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Good bird. Some more? Some more? Oops, sorry. It dripped a little. Good bird. Good bird. Down. Ayaw. Step up. Good bird. Step up. Step up. Good bird. Step up. Good bird. Good bird. Step up. Good bird. Here. Want some more? Want some more? Oops, sorry. Sorry. My bad. So guys, this is Piper. Water? You want some water? Water? No? That's all, folks. Bye.